In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Jira quickly and efficiently. Whether you're just getting started with Jira or you're an experienced user looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will have you diving into dashboard creation with confidence. Let's get started by navigating to the Jira main menu. This is where you'll find all the functionalities Jira has to offer, but right now you'll want to click on Dashboards. This is the hub for all your dashboard activities, giving you an overview and allowing you to access your existing dashboards or create new ones. Once you're in the dashboard section, you'll want to create a new one. So go ahead and click on Create Dashboard. This is your first step toward customizing your workspace. Now it's time to name your dashboard. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify the dashboard's purpose in a glance. This might seem trivial, but a good name helps maintain order, particularly when you have multiple dashboards. Next, provide a brief description to explain the purpose of your dashboard. This description can aid not only you but also team members who may have access to it, ensuring that everyone understands what information or insights they can expect to find there. Speaking of access, the next step is to set permissions. Who can view and edit your dashboard is an important consideration, especially if your dashboard contains sensitive or team-specific information. Now for the exciting part, adding gadgets. Click on Add Gadget. Gadgets are tools you can use to display different types of data to suit your needs, such as charts, lists, or specific Jira reports. You'll find a wide range of options, so take your time to browse through them and select the ones that fit best with your goals and the type of information you need to monitor regularly. After selecting your gadgets, you might find you need to tweak the layout of your dashboard. No problem, simply select Change Layout in the top right corner to customize the structure and make it as efficient and effective as possible for your workflow. Once your layout is set, you can easily drag and drop your gadgets to reorganize the information, making sure everything is precisely where you'd find it most useful. Finally, don't forget to click on Done when you're finished with your setup. This saves your dashboard and finalizes the configuration, making it ready for regular use. There you have it, a customized Jira dashboard designed in just a few simple steps, tailored to making your project management tasks smoother and more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more time-saving tips and tricks with Jira.